Hi, this is Yaul Mustafa, and today in this video we will be looking for how we can create multiple sheet and how we can rename multiple sheet in one click, and how we can copy the same data on each sheet just in one click. So I'll show you in simple step. This is the data that we have created to show you the practical. This is a type of attendance sheet that we have created. See, the first column is for employee code, second column B is for name, and third column C for it is for date of joining, and all these columns are to mark their attendance. Okay, and we need the same data for January, February, March until December. Okay, I mean we require 12 sheet. Okay, so how we can create 12 sheet in one click? I'll show you in a simple step. First of all, you should have a list of month, so you just give a heading for month and just type January and drag it till you get the December. Okay, now all 12 months are here. Simply what we will do is we will select and we will create pivot table. Okay, so simply we will go in insert tab, go in pivot table, click on pivot table. This dialog box you will get on your screen. Simply we will click on existing worksheet. Don't forget to do this. Click on existing worksheet and select here. You have to select any cell you feel convenient to get that additional dialog box for pivot table. Simply I have select this. I have selected this cell. Okay, and I'll click OK. And as soon as I'll press OK, this additional dialog box for a pivot table will be on a screen, and additional tab you can see on your ribbon for pivot tools. So simply what we will do is we will click on month. So by default the month will be on row label. We will drag it and we will put in report filter. Okay, as soon as you will put it in report filter, an additional option will be here. Okay, so you just go in option tab, and after option tab just click on show report filter pages. We will simply click it here and it will show you for what you want to create the pages. So we want to create the pages for month because we had given a heading for a month. Okay, so simply we will click on OK. As soon as we will click, see the magic, all 12 months are ready. January, February, month, April, May. And the thing is, on every sheet there is a text that we don't want it. So how we can remove it? First of all, you just close this pivot table tool. Okay, and you just delete this additional pivot table report filter. We will delete it. It doesn't mean it will get deleted from all the sheet. It is still there. We have to delete. Okay, how we can delete in one click? Simply we have to select January first sheet, and then we will hold the shift button and then click December. As soon as you will click December, all the sheets are selected, and you can say all the sheets are in group condition. If I'll make any changes on any sheet, so you can see those changes on every sheet. So see, if I'll delete this from January, so it will get deleted from every sheet. You can see now. Okay, now we will go in our original sheet. This is our original sheet that we have to copy this data and paste it on every 12 sheet. We are not going to paste one by one to all, but I'll show you the simple step so you can do it in one click. Simply you just copy this data you want to paste on the sheet. To copy this you need to click Ctrl C, or you can see click right click and then right click, and from here you will get copy option. Okay, you just copy this and go in January. See, the sheet are not selected now, so you have to select this sheet together. Okay, to select or use to group the sheet, what you have to do is you just click on January and shift the and hold the shift button and then click till December. Now you can see all these 12 sheets are highlighted. You can see the color of this. Okay, simply I think copy command is still active. Again select this, or you can group this and I'll click on first cell, and here we will right click and we'll go to paste spatial. In paste spatial, just click here. Okay, the additional dialog box for paste spatial will open. You just need to click column width. Why column width? I'll tell you. As soon as click OK, you can see the column size has been adjusted. You can see on each sheet column size has been adjusted as per the content we have copied. Okay, so simply we will go again here and we will click all, we will select all this sheet here. Okay, first of all select January and then till December, and I'll go on first sheet, first cell, and you see if the copy command is active, you can see the dancing ants. It means the copy command is active. We will go on January and select all the sheet together and click paste. To paste the data, you just have to press Ctrl V, or else you can right click and from here you can paste the data from here. First option, paste, Ctrl V. As soon as you will click, you can see the same data on each sheet. The data you have copied has been pasted in all the sheets. Now the sheets are in group condition. If you make any changes, so changes will be on every sheet. See, I'll show the example. If I'll make an entry here, absent, so you can see this entry in all the sheet. So it is not good. First of all, delete this, and you need to ungroup all these sheets. So how you can ungroup it? You just need to click, right click, and here you will see the option ungroup sheet. I'll click it here. Okay, now the sheet are ungrouped. If we are making any changes here, there will be a no change on another sheet. Okay, and that's it for this video. If you find this content useful, I'll request you to please subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friends. And thank you very much for watching this video.